Next we are discussing about mineral water plant. Bottled mineral water is always in demand because of its high usage in weddings, parties, hotels, etc. You can set up this mineral water plant, but it needs attention to detail as hygiene is paramount in this business. As compared to other business mentions, this would need a considerate amount of money, but it is equally high profits as well. For starting this business, you would need a good plan and strategy for marketing and sales. The best part of this business is that the competition is comparatively low. The investment required in this business is 40 to 60 lakhs excluding land. But as per the research, the profits would be approximately 1.5 to 3 crores a year of things go well. And next point is, how do I start my own mineral water plant? Step-by-step guide to start mineral water plant in India. Select an apt location for mineral plant business. Location is most important. And procure requirement machinery and raw material. Obtain mandatory licenses and registration. Registration of firm or company incorporation. ISI certification issued by the Bureau of Indian Standards. All these are required. So one thing is a mineral water plant means the location is also comfortable and the water supply also should be there by transportation or by groundwater also. Then you can purify it and you can make mineral water. So water supply is there or not, and transportation is in which way it is there, and how we can get water supply. All these things you should think over. Then preparing all these things, you should maintain a documentation. That is, step 1 is location and water supply, and third is process and machinery and workers. All these things you should maintain a document. According to the document, if you go, you will not fear in the middle of the process. And next point is, how much does it cost to start a mineral water plant? Means if you start a mineral water business, you just need a minimum amount of 50,000, which include 100 LPH RO plant. But when the capacity production and packaging of purified water increase, the cost of business also increase. It can goes from the 1 lakh to 50 lakhs. And next point is, what is a mineral water plant? Mineral water plant company in India. Mineral water is water from a mineral spring bore well, which is used for drinking purpose after filtration. As per you know, there are a lot of brands available for packaged mineral drinking water supply. It has been claimed by BIS. How does a mineral water plant work? Next point is, how does a mineral water plant work? Water obtained from the external source is allowed to pass through purification unit and then sorted in a stainless tank, passed through the purification plant and stored in a stainless steel tank. After purification, water is taken to the bottling section. Bottling is done as a continuous operation. And next point is, how do you start a water factory business? First step is conduct adequate market research, write a business plan, decide a project location, and get the needed licenses. Buy and install needed equipment, drill a borehole, or get other suitable sources of water, and then get your bottles and hire the right employees. Even water bottles making is also having in your own means it is very good, but you can purchase from third party also. How much does it cost? Next point is, how much does it cost to start a water bottle company? Starting a bottled water business on your own requires an initial investment of $10,000 to $50,000. Also consider rent, utilities, employee wages, and other ongoing costs. Working with a private label, bottled water supplier can save you time and money. And next point is, how mineral water is manufactured. Mineral water is produced artificially by adding salts to distilled water or aerating it with carbon dioxide. The mineral water of mineral content of both natural and artificial mineral water varies greatly, and in some cases it may be less than that of ordinary tap water. And next point is what ingredients are in mineral water. Natural mineral water usually contains the following substances in varying degrees: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, sulfate, and hydrogen carbonate. These are the important ingredients in mineral water. So this is the information regarding water plant production. It is basic information only. If you want to go in deep, study completely about the project and go to one or two water plant projects and what are their problems and how they are managing and all this. Then you will have a documentation. By the documentation you can start immediately. Wishing you all the best.